Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friends. So in this video today, guys, I want to talk about the top 3 best business model that you can start online in 2020, all right? So if it's your first time on my channel, my name is Keder. I make videos about entrepreneurship, business, how to make money online. If it's your first time, definitely subscribe, click the button down below, subscribe, turn on notifications so you can always be notified when I drop new videos, because I drop content all the time to help you build a business online. Alright guys, so what is the top 3 way that I want to recommend you to start making money online in 2020? The top businesses that you can actually build. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing has so much variety, so much different ways of doing it now versus back in the days, because the internet has expanded. Like now, I see young kids on Instagrams are making boatload of money. People on Pinterest are making crazy amount of money. It's crazy. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. And if you're watching this, your time is not yet here, it's probably because you're not implementing a strategy that's actually working. I know a lot of people that's watching this video might go, well, I'm not making any money. There's only a few people that's really making money. I get it, guys, and that's why I'm making this video, trying to help you out. So affiliate marketing is when you're selling somebody else's product. Now the key to affiliate marketing is always going to be traffic. If you cannot get traffic, you cannot make money with affiliate marketing, because you need other people to sell the product. So now if you intend to do affiliate marketing, I want the next year, your goal is to learn and understand traffic generation. What I mean by traffic generation is how can you get a boatload of people to see your offer, to see whatever you promote, whatever that you're gonna be affiliate with. Now when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's so many ways to do it, where you could do digital product, you can affiliate to a digital product, you can affiliate to physical product. Almost every major website now allow you to become an affiliate. You can affiliate with Best Buy, you can even affiliate with Walmart, you can go and affiliate with Amazon, you can affiliate with every big website, every big company. Now that's the easy part. Where a lot of people get stuck is the second step, which is getting traffic, which I want to talk about getting traffic very soon inside of that video. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, choose a niche. What are you going to promote? What type of product? Will you do product reviews? Will you go into your house and everything that you have, like this computer, you're going to go and make a product review, and you're going to become an affiliate of Amazon and send people to buy it on Amazon? That's a sort of affiliate marketing. It could be just anything. It could be just this memory card that you're using for your camera. And if you have a channel that has showing people camera, you can affiliate with that and you make money off of that. The second way that you can actually make money in 2020, one of the best business model, is drop shipping. Now I've seen many videos titled where people were saying, oh, drop shipping is dead, drop shipping is going out of style, it's the death of this website, it's the death of drop shipping. Guys, this stuff has been around way before I was born. It just take different shape. Back in the days, people were still doing it. They probably wasn't using website like we are now. People were still buying stuff from one place, source it from a different place, and sell it for a higher place somewhere else. Guys, even if you read stories like The Richest Man in Babylon, like that's one of the smallest book in business, one of the best book, very small, that explain to people how to become wealthy by utilizing the same principle of drop shipping, where he was buying iron from one place, navigate it to the water, and sell it somewhere else for a higher price. Guys, it's the same concept. That stuff been around for years and it's never gonna change. The vehicle might change, but the concept will never change. People will always go ahead, put their resources together, go find a product or something that people need, and bring it to those people at a price, and then try to margin it up so that they can make a profit. That's never going to change. So that's why drop shipping is still going to be a viable business model. So if you want to dive into that stuff, doing it on the internet, people using sites like Shopify to host their product. It's not just Shopify. You can even use a WordPress site. You can even use a WordPress regular site to host the product as long as people can see it, and you go get it from wherever you're gonna source it. It doesn't have to be coming from China. You can source from Walmart. You can source in the state. You can source from someone in your local area that has a product that's selling it for a specific price. If you can sell it, you find the audience that's gonna buy it for higher, you can make money drop shipping in the years to come, guys. In the next year, you can set up a business in drop shipping. Now, I saved the last one is the best one for last, okay? One of the best way you can make money in 2020, guys. This is what I'm gonna be using in 2020. This is by far the best possible way to make money in 2020. Do you wanna guess it? Do you want to guess it? I call it tribe building. Tribe building. I hope you get that. Tribe building. If you have the ability in the years to come to build a tribe in a very specific niche, whatever that niche is that you choose, if you can build a tribe, meaning that you build a community of people into anything, whether it's baseball, whether it's basketball, whether it's DIY, whether it's wedding photography, whether it's in cooking, whether it's in workout, whether it's in keto diet, whether it's in exercising, whether it's in parents, whether it's in, guys, you know, married couple, whatever you can build a tribe in, if you have the tribe, you're gonna be working backward. For every other business model that I can name, from affiliate marketing to drop shipping to getting clients to social media influencer to social media agency, I can name a bunch of them, guys. The flow of all of these business, the flow start where you have an offer or product, something to offer, a business model in your hands. Now you need to go get the clients in order for you to make money. That's the only way you're gonna make money. Whatever, whether you're gonna drop ship product from China, you're gonna set up a beautiful website, the top of the line. You're gonna find some of the most amazing products from AliExpress or whatever. Now what? People. You need to get people. You need traffic. You need people to actually buy that product. You start an agency. Guess what? You have this agency where you're gonna blow up people's social media. You're gonna manage everything for them. You're gonna make him look like a superstar online. Guess what? What's next? You need what? People. So it's always going to work that way. You go into affiliate marketing. You start selling different products or doing product reviews. What are you gonna need next? People. See, it's always gonna work that way. It's always product, services, and people. Now with tribe building, which is the best way, you start from the back. You build the community, then now you find out what the hell they want. Once you do that, my friend, I promise you your income problems will be over in 2020. You find the people, you build a tribe for them. If you build a tribe in people that love to play tennis, okay? I build a tribe, I love playing tennis. I build a tribe of people that love to play tennis. I find all of them, I get them together in a community. We're excited, baby, we're gonna play tennis. It's going down, it's going crazy. Get the balls, get the rackets, get the headband, get the whatever. You get those people excited every single day. Guess what we're gonna be doing? Guess what? Now, I got the people. Now I can sell them water bottles. I can sell them rackets. I can sell them balls. I can sell them sneakers. You know, I can sell them a course, now let's say we go from physical product now. Let's say now I wanna move into digital product. I can go on ClickBank and become an affiliate and find a course that teaches people how to play tennis or how to become a better tennis player and start selling digital product. Let's say I wanna sell them t-shirts, custom made ink. Now I can go and say, tennis is my life, a ball player for life. I can literally have those things and then boom, 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 put it on there. I send it to those traffic and tell them, hey, you interested in this? I know you're gonna like this. See, it's a whole different concept because you have the tribe. If you have the tribe, you just gotta get creative. Today, you just wake up and say, I wonder how I'm gonna make money today. Today, we're gonna promote t-shirts. You know what? Next week, man, we made thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars selling t-shirts. You know what? This week, let's go ahead and sell printing cards. Let's go ahead and check that out and see, will the people be interested in that? It's a whole different mindset and a whole different concept. And the sales comes a lot easier. So now you're not really coming as someone who's trying to, I want people to buy this, I want people to buy this. No, you actually serving them, because now you know what they want. You know what they're passionate about. You just come in and say, hey, I know you're a tennis player, right? Or I know you're someone that loves to work out. Here's some gloves. This is gonna prevent calluses that you working out, you lifting dumbbells all the time. This is gonna prevent some calluses. Hey, I know you're someone who actually into cake, decorating cake. Well, here's the best mixer or cake mixer that you can actually use. See, I'm serving you versus I'm asking you to get my product or my services or my whatever. See, when you come in a position of servant, the sell becomes so much easier. Guys, I wish someone would have told me that, back in the days when I first started my business. But this is by far one of the best way I find to make money online. Build a tribe and then capitalize on the tribe. Don't think about the money first. Think about the people first, and then monetize as many possible ways. Like I'm saying, all the freaking ways you watch video. You watch video number 1 from this guy that say, hey, make money with ClickBank. You watch video number 2 that say, hey, make money with Shopify. You watch video number 3 that say, make money with Amazon. See, each one of those business model, they require for you to go get the customer some way, somehow. But if you get the customer first, guess what? You can implement all of them. It's not even about one business model anymore. It's about you now having the traffic to implement all of them in every section, because you have the people, you know what they want. It becomes so much more powerful. Anyway, guys, I hope you understand this concept. I hope you get it. If you get it, drop a comment, say, yes, I get it. Here's what I want to do. I'm putting a webinar together on Wednesday, and I'm gonna show you how to build that tribe. If you want to build those tribe, what we've been doing for the last 8 months to a year, I've been experimenting with building tribes, and it's been working. And I want to share the secrets with you. So if you want to be part of the webinar, definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know. I'm also gonna put the link in the description. You can actually sign up. The webinar will be on Wednesday. It's gonna be a live webinar, so I hope to see you there. Definitely let me know if you're interested into learning more, because I'm gonna break it down into science. I'm gonna break it down and see what I'm giving you right now. I'm gonna give you the slides, I'm gonna give you the ways, I'm gonna give you the strategies on how to set it all up so that you can crush it. If this stuff interests you, that was your boy Keder. Kind of make this video for you today. Just wanna say I miss you guys, it's been a minute. But I'm back and I'm excited. I've been in the lab, been working, been experimenting. Now it's time for me to bring you back the results and show you exactly how you can make money in 2020. Take it, run with it, crush it with me. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Pound that. Pow! See you on the webinar. Let's go do it. I got some powerful stuff you need. Bye.